Hi, I'm a visually impaired smartphone user. Visually impaired use smartphone with audio-based accessibility feature, which comes with every smartphone.
Selection, general. Voiceover, on.
With this, I'm able to write a mail like any other sighted user. However, it is a slow and painful process. Voice assistants are not advanced enough to help us today. Read Facebook posts.
I'm afraid I can't read Facebook posts.
With ID keypad, using my phone becomes much faster and easier.
H. Letters mode. Showing items 1 to 2 of 2. I.
Capital on capital
D.
H.
A.
U.
N. I. S.
Space.
H.
D. D.
Send button.
A.
Showing English keyboard. Showing items 2 to 3 of 3.